Hey everyone, it's been a little bit. Today we're going to be playing Sons of the Forest. This just got released today, and today I have Dread and Blaze. We're going to be playing this for the first time, and we're going to go through the story. I know I haven't uploaded as much recently, but we're back better than ever. And without further ado, let's get straight into this.
You ready to dip your toes into the forest?
Let's do it.
Alright, please, please.
Oh, yeah.
Ah,
Let's get it. Let's get it.
I'm waiting.
Says game is starting.
Wait for the host to start the game.
Yeah, we've got two very different screens, but I don't know.
Oh no.
What'd you do?
Hold on.
Oh,
Oh god.
Host left the lobby.
Oh my god, what the fuck? Jesus. My game crashed.
Hello.
Is it fun?
We just started.
Man, you have to join a whole nother car or what?
Yo, I'm gonna get it, and then I'll play later. Well, fuck, you're gonna go to work, huh?
Something like that.
Call out.
Call on, I wish I could.
Nobody calls out for his favorite.
Manuel, if I was able to call out, I would call out. Alright, relax.
No, I know where I'm
There's-
at.
there's-
I know where I
there's-
stand at.
Oh my god.
Alright, y'all ready?
Busting your balls here, baby. Relax.
Mm-hmm.
I'm waiting.
Vegetable.
Hey,
Our
Blaze,
only
I thought we
communication.
were gonna wait for Ethan.
Hey, yo entendí, trust me. I was the one that brought it up. I'm the one that actually said, yes, I should be waiting for Ethan. But, I'm not exploring any of the caves. Not doing any of that. All I'm doing is helping
I
them
see
build
how it
a
is.
base. Ah, this is some bullshit. Any of the main core of the story, not doing. I promise. They will go in the
Sure.
caves, I will reserve myself.
Mm-hmm.
I will
Sure.
live. Okay. Brother, I'm streaming the whole thing. You can watch.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
This is some bullshit. What do? How much do I need to to fucking buy your silence, huh?
Well, let's go through a cutscene. Do y'all see this?
$10.
We're loading. We're loading. What'd you say?
$10.
$10. I'll do you one better. I'll get you the game. Does that buy your silence? That was real quick.
I got turned out
Oh,
pretty
hell yeah, dude.
Ah, fuck. Well, fuck me, dude.
Oh, is this you guys?
Wait, are we in a different heli? Hey, I see you, bitch boy. Where the fuck you going? Pull up. That guy driving. Oh shit.
Are we all sitting in the same one?
I don't know. Do you see one left of you or?
Yeah,
Nah, we're probably in the same one.
I'm still loading.
Are you sitting side by side or something?
Yeah.
Is there
Fish
one
and I-
guy single?
Fish and I Kelvin.
Okay. I think we're in the same one, but it's like we're not together.
Theo.
He's missing 31.
Oh man.
Hey, so this has to do with the first one?
Yeah.
Oh, you can scroll through, okay. Barbara Puffin, 31 weeks again. Damn, the whole family.
Well.
Alright, I'm about to finish loading the forest.
Shit, got the tats.
I'm loading in finally.
Okay, this is a good start.
Oh wait, hello?
Oh man, quick.
I see you guys in another helicopter, I think. Look out the window.
Boy. He's alive. Hey, bud. Hey, bud. Don't step out.
That dude definitely broke his back.
Oh. Bud. No. Oh.
GG.
Motherfucker broke his back. He's dead.
Yeah,
That
that's
was
for
some
sure now.
disrespect, bro.
Oh, Chase, how did yours start off?
It's the same as his. I think. Oh, yeah, I just saw him fall to the ground. You know, there was such a better way for him to get out of that.
Yeah, but this is very different from the last one.
Yeah, that was different from when I started out.
Gabagoo.
Why did I hear a tree fall?
What the fuck, you bitch? Oh my god.
I'll pull that off the ground.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, man.
Oh, hey man, what's up? You get hit too?
Yo, let me run your shit. Let me run your pockets.
Say what? Hold on, wait till I get up.
Hit him back of the head with the
I probably could.
What's that in front of you? Oh, dude.
Taking out the sun.
Oh, dude, it's on the ground. Hey, buddy, go
Bitch
boom.
ass up, nigga. Give me some fucking
Freaking
meat.
out.
Well, I didn't need to drop my settings just a tad bit. Oh, I need a new PC. That
Is it that
CPU is
framey?
chunking. For me, it is. It's chunking. Like,
I thought it was just the stream.
no. It's actually.
Well, I got Kelvin over here. Kind of giving me a little test, I guess.
Alright, so look. You don't look like this, but once I switch. Yeah, it's gonna look fucking ugly. Alright, fine. As long as I can play.
Damn, dude, I just slapped a note on him.
Yeah.
I'll train him like a retarded kid now.
Dude's
A
like
little
angry as
bit.
fuck and I just slapped it, man. Yeah, this is my son's dude. This kind of looks awful. What we got around here? There's dead players.
Fuck me.
Rocks.
You realize my dog has a predator
There you
mouth, bro.
What?
My dog has a predator mouth, bro. I gotta show it to you.
This fish, I can't pick it up for you guys.
Coming.
Goddamn, bro. This thing is alive.
Huh?
This is gonna let you die.
Nah, I wish I could put the settings up quite a bit, but
You gotta
just
do it
gonna
on
tank. Let's see.